trading session this morning. And so I want us to pay very quick attention to what I'm going to say. All right, so we don't have any trade call this morning because as in no fundamental event this morning, so nothing to trade fundamentally. So I'll just switch over quickly to the chart and we'll look at some trade setup on our chart. I believe you can hear me loud and clear. So let's just for the sake of confirmation, let me know if you can hear me. More people are still joining. Like I said, we're having a very short time this morning. We're done in a very short few minutes from now. All right. So we're looking at just three setup this morning. We're looking at the GBP USD. We're looking at gold and Euro New Zealand. Those are the three setup I have technically for this morning session. GBP USD on 1 hour. Though we start from the daily. Now on the daily time frame, GBP USD seems to be trending up. We have an uptrend on GBP USD on the daily time frame. Price is trending up, and the candle that closed yesterday closed as a rejection candle. So the candle of yesterday closed as a rejection candle. I'll zoom it out bigger now so that we can see it better. All right. So you can see the candle of yesterday closed as a rejection candle, right? So technically, we're expecting an upside movement on the GBP USD because of today. So we zoom it down to 4 hour, and you can see that we still have that sharp rejection candle here. So technically, we're holding a bullish outlook on the GBP USD today, and we'll check it down to 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour, this is actually forming a kind of a double bottom pattern, which will trigger price upwards. So this will be the neckline region. So whenever price breaks out above this neckline region, we are anticipating a breakout of price upwards, and price may target the next resistance level. So we're going to be anticipating a move on GBP USD in the course of today that might span. I'm just trying to drag my mouse. All right. You may see a move up to like 44 pips in the bullish direction on GBP USD. So let's take note of that. I might drop the signal later, but like I said, I'm going to rush up and finish this session as soon as possible. So we're bullish on the GBP USD. You can watch out on the 5S group. I'll drop the signal there. But let's just run through the analysis now. On gold, we're having a bullish outlook on gold. But then for the bull on gold, price needs to hit a support level first. This is gold on the daily time frame. Price is approaching a support. It's approaching a support. All right, so if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, now we've been expecting this bullish breakout on gold in the last couple of days, but this week seems to be a little different. So price may need to drop, then break out upwards for gold. And we may be looking at buying if price hits that support level. We're drawing our trend line here to have a falling wedge pattern. So when it drops and hits that support level and it's trying to break out upwards, yes, we may look for a buy on gold at that point. So we're bullish on gold on 1 hour. The GPUSD setup I give is equally 1 hour, gold on 1 hour. All right, so apologies, we had a little network glitch. I'm back. All right, so I've showed us my view on GBP USD and gold, and the third one is the Euro New Zealand, and this Euro New Zealand is a swing. The swing set up on Euro New Zealand, so we're going to be looking at that on the higher time frames. So this is Euro New Zealand on the 4 hour time frame. I'll start it from I'll start the analysis from the weekly time frame. If you're just joining us, this is money analysis. We looked at two setup already, and that is USD and gold. You can watch the video of this recording later, so that can give you an insight of what we've done so far. So for Euro New Zealand on the weekly time frame, we can see that earlier in the week, price already hit the weekly resistance level up there. And on 4 hour now, we're looking for a reversal. The price is resistance on the weekly. This is the 4 hour reversal with a rising wedge pattern. So if price breaks out below the lower trend line, then we will be able to look at taking a sell on the Euro New Zealand. And at that instance, we need to also confirm with our RSI clearly below 50. All right, so that's going to be all I can take for this morning. A little recap again for GBP USD, we're bullish on 1 hour. For gold, we're bullish. Though for that gold, price needs to hit the support level before reversing into the bullish direction. And for the Euro New Zealand, that's a swing setup. We're bearish on the 4 hour. We need price to clearly break out below this lower trend line with RSI below 50 for us to trigger a sell on the Euro New Zealand. So that's going to be all this morning. I'm sorry I'm able to take any question. I said earlier that this is going to be a very short analysis session. Do take care and have a wonderful trading day ahead. Don't forget our 5x is still on. We want to make 5x of our account. We generated over 1,000 pips in the last 1 month. You can reach out to your account manager to be a part of the 5x group. Do have a great day ahead. Bye bye.
Bye.